Italian recipe for today: chicken scallopini or chicken cutlets. Hello and good day to everyone. Welcome to Imee's recipes. This recipe for today is a meat recipe. It's one of my favorites. It's an Italian dish. It's chicken scallopini or chicken cutlets in white wine with capers and olives. So let's get started. Half chicken breast is needed in this recipe. You have to slice them thinly but not too thin. Sprinkle salt on them and cover them with flour. Pass them here. Cover each slice with flour. In a plate, place some green olives without seeds and slice each. These olives are in a brine, so they are a little bit salty. Then place at least 3 tablespoons of capers. Curious about their taste, they are salty and sour. Get a large frying pan and pour some olive oil in it. When the oil is already hot, start frying the chicken slices. After 2 minutes, flip each chicken slice. After cooking the other side of the chicken slices, transfer them in a plate. Then cook the rest of the slices. Now it's time to transfer the chicken slices from the plate to the pan and combine all the slices. Add ground black pepper according to taste. Add the olives and capers. Add a little white wine in the pan. Don't worry of the alcohol. It will evaporate. And what is left is that tasty, savory taste of the wine. And last to be added is the salt. Add only a little salt because the olives are already a little bit salty. Simmer it for another 2 minutes, and after that, it's done. Now it's tasting time. Tastes good. You don't taste the alcohol, it already evaporated, and it's really delicious. Chicken meat is tender and juicy. This Italian dish is good as a main course dish. Thanks for watching.